Hi guys, welcome to this session on Microsoft Forms, Power Automate and SharePoint Lists. So what I'm going to do is show you what I've created. So I've created a form. So if I go to Forms, and I'll recreate all these for you and show you how I did it. So this form is called Marketing Analysis. So it's just about some analysis. So if I go Preview, it'll let me fill it in. So I'll say Excel and Word for that first question. Which product would you like training on? Access and project. And what's the best way to do it? Face-to-face, one-to-one I like. And consultant by the hour. Not but yeah, that one. My name. It's easy. And my email is steve@itseasy.co.uk. Now, .co.uk. Submit that. Now that's given a response. So if I go back and go back onto my SharePoint site, and this SharePoint site, Teams site, contents I'll go to, and then lists. There's marketing data, and there's what I've just filled in. It's automatically populated this list, which I created in this site. Now, the way that worked was I used Power Automate, which is flow, and I created a flow, my flow. Not on there. If I just have a look at that. So this is the flow, how it works, and it's succeeded twice, so I've run it twice. So that's what I want to do. I want to show you how to do that. So first off, I'm going to go back to Form and create a new form. So this form is going to be general knowledge. I don't need a description, so that's the title of the form. I'm just going to do a couple of simple questions, choice questions, and the first one is which is the longest river in the world? Option 1, Nile. Option 2, Amazon. Then add a question. So you've got that option there. Don't want multiple answers because it's either one or the other in this case. So add a new question, multiple choice. So now highest mountain, which if I'll just call it a highest mountain. Highest mountain, then you give them the options. Everest, Etna, and then the last question, choice again, capital of Germany. Of Germany, and then 2 options for that as well. And you can do as many options as you want. So I'll go little iffy question there. Depends what time, what date that was. I didn't qualify it with a date, so there's only one answer. So now this gets shared. So if I just click on responses, you can see there's been no responses, but when you click on preview, you can actually fill it in and then you will get a response. So that's my form, general knowledge. So go back into SharePoint to create a list in this site, new list, which is going to be called general knowledge analysis. And again, you can fill in the description. So just click on create. And then you need to put the columns in or rename the columns. So the title one's always there. If I click on that, I can rename that to, what was the first one? Longest river. So I'll put longest river. Save. And then I want to add a column, single line of text. Or I could put choice, but I'll put single line of text. It's only going to be one answer. and that's going to be highest mountain. And again, you can fill this in if you want, but I'm just going to save it as that. And then the last one is going to be capital of Germany. I'll just put capital. I don't need capital. That'll do. Save. So those are my 3 columns. That's all I need to do. That's it. So now if I go back, what I want to do now is go back to Power Automate and create a flow that's going to automatically insert whatever goes in that form into that list. Now when you come down into Power Automate, you've got lots of different templates, but if I go to all templates, it's probably quicker to do it through this way. And the one I want is, these are all sectioned off, look, so data collection, and the first one is the exact one I want, so click on that one. And then it's going to see the accounts, make sure the accounts match up. So I'm logged on as MS. It recognizes that, and if you need to switch accounts, you can do so there, but that's okay. I just need to go continue, and then it will start my flow. So I pick the flow, so general knowledge I called it. It's already got the steps in there. So ID for the full form is general knowledge. Come back down. Now this is where we need to find it. Where is the list going to be? It's going to be on my team site, and the list name is going to be general knowledge analysis, which is what I called it. And now you have to map the fields across. So if I click into that title, so the first one was the longest river, so it's that one. The highest mountain, and the capital of Germany. That's it. Save. Now at the top there, you've got a flow checker. There's no errors, so that's good. So what should happen now is, if I go back to the form, general knowledge, do preview, and then longest river is the Nile, highest mountain is Mount Everest, capital of Germany is Berlin, submit, thanks, go back to SharePoint, go back into my team site, and you want site contents to find the list, that one, and there it is, populated the list. So that's how you create a form to input data into a SharePoint list using Power Automate as the interface to do that. So that's all I want to talk about in this session. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you on the next one.